How to make beautiful pictures. Well, first of all, when you draw a picture, you should fill up the whole space. Notice in this picture, it's just a teeny tiny little picture with all this extra space. This one with the star on it fills up the space. I can add details. I just see the girl here, she filled up the space, but this has a nice cloud and a dog in the picture, which is why it got the star. I can make my picture match my words. If the word says Pam has a pup, I shouldn't see a picture of a rainbow. Pam has a pup, I should see Pam and her pup. That's why this picture got a star. I can choose colors that make sense. Do we usually see people with a green face and blue hair? Not really. So that doesn't make so much sense. But here, these colors make more sense for Pam. I can color inside the lines. Does this look like a nice picture, or does it look like Scribble Scrabble? I think it looks like Scribble Scrabble. And first graders, we don't Scribble Scrabble. We color nicely in the lines, just like this. So remember, we want to fill up the space, add details, make sure that the picture matches our words, choose colors that make sense, and color inside the lines. Good luck!